Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily unsubscribe for all those pesky emails in Gmail. Ladies and gentlemen, the first thing you want to do is jump straight into Gmail, and we're going to unsubscribe from all of those irritating little emails that you get from who knows where, and when did you even sign up for them. So what you want to do is go up to your search bar, dial in unsubscribe. Now, the reason we're using the word unsubscribe is because in any one of these mail that you get, you'll actually find in the email there's an unsubscribe button. And this is detected now with the search filters. So now you can see there's a bunch here. And what we need to do is then go onto that search bar on the right-hand side, show search options. Here we can just filter out a few things. So here you can see that it should be from, to, subject, and then you can also include these specific words. Right, from here, we can just go and click on create filter. So once you've created a filter, you can now choose what to actually do to it. The first thing you want to do is click on the skip the inbox. This will mean that any future mail coming from anything that says unsubscribe within these parameters will be instantly thrown directly into the archive. So that's the first thing you want to do. The next thing you want to do is apply the label, because we want to organize it now. So here we go, choose label, and we click on new label. Here we are going to choose new label, and we're going to give it a name. So we're going to say unsubscribe, and then you can also nest it underneath another label, but we're going to leave it as is. And now let's create. And now all of these emails are going to be thrown into this unsubscribe label over here. So it's now in its own folder. The next thing that you want to do is also you want to apply filters to matching conversations. So over here, the search results will only display 50. So it's 1 to 50 of many. Maybe there are 500, maybe there's 1,000, maybe there's even 10,000. So what you want to do is also apply that filter to any matching conversations. Let's go and create the filter. Now, on the left-hand side, it'll take a few seconds to populate, but what will happen is underneath labels, you'll see unsubscribe. Now, if you click on this, you will go into this unsubscribe folder. Within this folder, you will start to see it says 1 to 50 of 100. And if you continue to open each page, if you have more than that, it'll continue to open up. In my case, I only have 100, so that's great. What we can now do is if you hold your cursor over every one of these emails, you'll see that there's an unsubscribe button. So just for example, this one over here, let's go and click on unsubscribe and unsubscribe. That one is done. You will also never receive an email from this email address. Now, you also have 30 days to make any changes, but ultimately, this is the way that you can unsubscribe to all of your emails.